Welcome to Behind the Breed. Today we're talking about the American Bulldog. Strong, loyal, and full of energy. 1. Originally bred to guard farms and catch cattle, these dogs are true working athletes. 2. They're deeply loyal and protective of their families. 3. Don't be fooled by their tough look. They're gentle and affectionate with loved ones. 4. They need lots of exercise and training to stay balanced and happy. 5. Confident, courageous, and full of heart. That's the American Bulldog. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Behind the Breed.